this one part where you just had to tape the sail onto a straw. That was really easy, but putting the straw on top of the the paper clip, it was really hard.
Okay, putting the straw on top of the paper clip was really hard. So some parts of building the toy were easier than others. Other ideas? Wonderings and thinking? Can you pass it to Makai, please?
Um, it was mm, it was really hard to make the car because on the video it didn't roll. It was just on the video it didn't roll. It just slid on the floor. So when we made it, it didn't roll. So then you had to fix some stuff, and that's why it was hard. And because of the way we made it, we put holes on the side because we thought that was the way it was gonna work, and it did.
Okay. So Makai said a word that got me thinking. He said we had to fix it. Did you notice any CT practices, or what CT practices did you use today in our lesson? You can start with Makai if you have it.
Debugging, cause when I made a mistake, me and my team made a mistake. We have fixed it.
Can you tell us what mistake you made and how you fixed it?
We put holes in the side, and then after it ended, it was actually the right way, cause then it would roll.
Right, so even though they did something that was different than the video, it actually ended up working out. They just did a different design. Anyone else want to add on? Celine?
We did debugging because when we was making a flag, we had taped it to the thing. Then when you came and helped us, we we didn't know. Then we had put the we had fixed it.
And how were we saying we were going to fix it?
We was gonna put the flag on the thing on the clip.
Yeah, we were going to put the straw on the clip. And that way we wouldn't have to use as much what?
Tape.
Tape. Okay, anyone else a CT practice that you noticed? Soraya?
Well, a CT practice that me and my team did was, well, maybe we did like abstraction because, like, well, we, like, we, like, when we were watching the video, we saw, we saw, like, we thought it looked like we thought it was easy to do, but in real, like, we tried to like make we tried to make the car, and it didn't really work out. It wasn't as easy as it looked in the video, and we were actually we actually started to think how like we started to like talk about like what we were like going to like what we were going to play with it, like where and at like what a certain time. We did abstraction because like um, we we ignored like any side conversations or anything to get us off task.
Okay. And I want to add on to your abstraction thought. So maybe was there a part of the video that you focused on most?
Well, part of the video we focused on most was when they put like the straw on the wheel because we were having trouble with putting the straw on the wheel. It was like hard. The straw wouldn't actually go inside, so we actually asked you for your help, and you gave us a very great idea into like cutting both sides and making kind of like a V shape so it will go in easily.
Okay. Other thoughts? You saying you were thinking ahead of what surface you were going to get it on. Kind of made me think of like patterns, and it reminded me of when we rolled the ball. Remember we said, would the ball roll, would it have a different motion on the rug than out in the hallway?
Yes.
Yeah, we said probably, maybe. So kind of thinking ahead of that, like, where have we seen this before? I was going to ask him. Will you please give it to Willie? And then we'll go to Aubrey, and then we really have to stop because we are well past our time.
I think my team did decomposition because when we did our straw maze for our skimmer, Janiko cut the straw so we could have more manageable parts so we could make the mace.
Okay, so you actually broke the straw down into smaller parts so that it was easier. I have a question. Did each person on your team take a turn and do part of the job?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's kind of like decomposing it too, right? You work on this small part, you work on this small part, I'll do this, and then we put it all together. Aubrey, do you have a different thought? Okay, Aubrey is our last one to share today.
We did debugging because, like, we had cut our clear straw, like, our black straw was, like, it was, like, regular, and then we had cut it sideways, and that made it go into the wheels more because it was, like, it didn't really go in.
So when you cut it, did it fit better? And it went into the straw, so you were able to fix that. All right, they did a really good job.